še enkrat to poudarjamo, zato da boste se vam zasidali noter v spomin in da boste se zavedno tega spomnili in nikoli več ne boste pomislili, drug je kriv. Tam je to naredil, on je to naredil. Ne, prevzamem odgovornost za sebe, za svoje življenje. In s tem lahko spremenimo svet.
Give up. It's just the weight of the world when your heart's heavy.
Vsako mislijo, ki jo mislite, ali zavestno ali podzavestno, vi aktivirate ali utišate posamezne gene in to se dogaja non-stop.
Because you want to be heard. If silence keeps you, I will break it for you. Everybody wants to be understood. Well, I can hear you. Everybody wants to be loved. Don't give up, because you are loved. Don't give up. It's just the hurt that you hide. When you're lost inside, I'll be there to find you. Don't give up, because you want to burn bright. If darkness blinds you, I will shine to guide you. Everybody wants to be understood. Well, I can hear you. Everybody wants to be loved. Don't give up, because you are loved.
Doj padla. Poche chiese.
Don't give up. Everyone needs to be loved. You
Ja, srečno, radostno, zdravo in izpolnjujoče življenje je mogoče in je stvar izbire. Dobrodošli v mojem svetu na moji spletni strani.